Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video we will create this object in SolidWorks. So in this we will use circle commands, we will use polygon, and we will use some tangent relations, and finally we will use the extrude command to create this object. Let's start. First we will go to sketch, and here we will select the top plane, and from here we will select the circle, and we will create here a circle, and then we will create a second circle, and then select. Now we will go to the dimension, and the inner circle is 19 diameter, so for this we will select 19, and for outer circle this is 19 radius, and then we can multiply it by 2, 19 multiplied by 2, so the diameter is 38. If radius is 19, then diameter is 38. Okay, now we will create a 72 millimeter construction line. We will go to this central line, and from we will select the center of this and draw it here, then go to dimensions, just select and give it to 72. Okay, and now we have to create a circle of radius 50, so we'll select the circle and this one, and similarly we also need to draw a polygon of 6. Select this one, and okay, and now we will go to dimensions. From here we will select, or if radius is 25, it means that diameter is 50. Okay, and for this one it's 40, so we can use this end and this end, and it will be like 40. Okay, and we will select this end, and we will select this line and make it coincide. Okay, now it's fixed. Now you can see that our sketch is fully defined, right? Now we need to create a circle. The circle radius is 35, so we will select a circle, and we will just give the dimension. If 35 radius is 35, then diameter is 70, right? And then we just move this a little above, and now we will select this one, and we will select this one, and we will select this one, and then we will select the tangent. Or if we select 3, it's not showing the tangent, so we will select this one and select this one. There must be a relation tangent, and similarly we will select this one, and we will select this one, and then we create a tangent. Okay, so select this one, and then select this one, and then select tangent. So now this is on tangent on this one, right? Okay, now we need to create this. We will select from here, we will select the 3-point arc, we will select this point, we will select this point, and then here we will specify the radius. Okay, and click select. Now we will just go to some smart dimension, and we give the radius is equal to 100, right? And then we will select this circle, and we will select control, with the help of control, this arc, and here we will make it tangent. Now here we have created the relation tangent, and from here is okay. Similarly we will select this circle, and we will select this arc, and then we also need to make it tangent, right? Now our sketch is completed. We just need to use the trim command, so we will select the trim command. We will select uh, from here power trim. Power trim means we just need press and move, and similarly we will press and move. From here we need to press and move. Similarly press and move to this direction, press and move to this direction. So now our sketch is fully completed. Okay, and now we can see that the extrude is 10 millimeter. So we will just exit from the sketch from here. Okay, and then go to feature, and then we'll extruded boss, and here we will type the 10, and now you can see that our model is created. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.